Hi, I'm Amy Cadora, and like you, I want a healthy home for my family. And that includes extra attention to personal hygiene and keeping surfaces absolutely clean. My goal is to get the results I want without using harmful chemicals. We know that our bodies absorb chemicals over time. Chemicals are even found in the cord blood of newborns. These chemicals are stored in our bodies, sometimes for the rest of our lives, and they become part of our chemical body burden. The major route for exposure to the vast majority of household products is through inhalation and dermal contact. Now, we can't totally prevent chemicals from reaching our bodies. They surround us in everyday life, but we can reduce the use of harmful chemicals in our own homes. Norwex calls that creating a safe haven. So let's talk about personal hygiene and Norwex solutions for clean hands with clean formulas. Your hands are the parts of you that generally are most in contact with the rest of the world. Keeping them clean helps reduce your risk. For example, studies have shown that hand washing alone can reduce the risk of getting stomach bugs by over 30% and respiratory illnesses by 20%. Both soap and water play an important role in hand hygiene. Soap works effectively because its chemistry attacks impurities and germs and causes them to degrade or become inactive. The soap molecules loosen up and trap tiny fragments, which are then washed away with water. And the role of water is extremely important. Water is known as the universal solvent because it dissolves more substances than any other liquid. Being a solvent also means that wherever water goes, either down the drain or through our bodies, it takes along chemicals and minerals and nutrients it has picked up along the way. Some soaps are loaded with ingredients that may do more than just remove germs. They can leave behind harmful chemicals, along with synthetic fragrances and other substances that may irritate, dry out the skin surface. The solution is a formula that's both safe and effective, free from harmful chemicals, but still able to do its job to keep hands clean. One of the healthiest and most indulgent ways to lather up is with Norwex foaming hand wash. Mild surfactants thoroughly clean hands. Plant-based ingredients combine hydration with a soothing natural scent, or if you prefer, you can choose unscented too. And because we're mindful that our products should be effective, safe, and sustainable, all varieties of foaming hand wash can be used in a reusable, stylish glass bottle with a non-slip silicone sleeve. Did you know that 18 billion pounds of plastic wash into our oceans every year, much of it after only one use? This is truly a forever bottle because you can use it safely, forever. Refills are an economical and earth-friendly choice to keep foaming hand wash at every sink. And the finishing touch, a thorough and gentle drying with a Norwex microfiber cloth or towel. Our exclusive Backlock antibacterial agent allows the towel to self-purify within 24 hours after you hang it to dry. Lots of styles and colors to choose from, these cloths are extra absorbent and ultra durable. Okay, our hands are clean and dry, so let's talk about the next level clean for surfaces. Most traditional household cleaners are chemical-based. They can release a variety of chemicals into the air, and they can also leave them behind on surfaces. Norwex takes a different approach for the next level clean. Instead of using active chemical ingredients to kill bacteria, our cloths simply remove it. It's called mechanical cleaning, which means the cloth physically removes anything from the surface using only water. So how does that work? Norwex microfiber is a superior blend of extra fine, super dense fibers. In fact, each microfiber is just 1/200th of the thickness of a human hair, which means it picks up all kinds of dirt and debris, removing up to 99% of bacteria from a surface using only water. And our Backlock antibacterial agent microsilver allows the cloth to self-purify as it dries, so it's ready to use again and again when following proper care and use instructions. No chemicals, no odor, and no residue left behind. No paper towels to throw away. Clean hands, clean surfaces, and a clean conscience. That's next level clean from Norwex.